प्यारे बच्चों, पिछले दिन मैंने पीपुल एज रिसोर्सेज के बारे में पढ़ाया था, जिसमें से आपको बताया था ह्यूमन कैपिटल कैसे बनती है जब आप शिक्षा ट्रेनिंग प्राप्त करते हैं, मेडिकल सर्विस प्राप्त करते हैं। मेडिकल सर्विस का मतलब मेडिकल प्रशिक्षण प्राप्त करते हैं। तो ऐसी अवस्था में जो प्राप्त करता है वह ह्यूमन कैपिटल बन जाता है। कहने का मतलब those are person which are skilled, educated and trained person and earn money is called human person। आप इसी के आगे पढ़ा रहे हैं, ह्यूमन कैपिटल इज ए स्टॉक ऑफ स्किल एंड प्रोडक्शन embodied in it when the available human resources is further developed through education। कोई भी व्यक्ति है एजुकेशन के माध्यम से ही डेवलप कर सकता है। कहते एजुकेशन, ट्रेनिंग एंड मेडिकल केयर इट इज टर्न इनटू कैपिटल विच वी कॉल ह्यूमन कैपिटल। लाइक फिजिकल कैपिटल, ह्यूमन कैपिटल also adds to the productive strength of the country। An investment is the human capital in the form of education, training and medical facilities also gives return, as it is in the case of other physical capitals। Productive capability which increase the gross productivity of the nation। Thus the doctor and the teacher, engineer and the tailor are assets for economy। Here is the story of two people, Sakal and Vilas, which explain that all are benefited, which man is turned into productive resource। स्टोरी ऑफ शकल क्या है? There were two friends, Vilas and Sakal, living in the same village, Shemapur। Sakal was a 12-year-old boy। His mother Sheila looked after domestic chores। His father Bhuta Chaudhary worked in the agriculture field। Sakal helped his mother in domestic chores। He also looked after his young brother Jitu and sister Shetu। His uncle Syam had passed the matriculation examination but was sitting idle in the house as he had no job। Bhuta and Sheila were eager to teach Sakal। They forced him to join the village school, which he soon joined। He started studying and completed his higher secondary examination। His father persuaded him to continue his study। He raised a loan for Sakal to study a vocational course in computer। Sakal was meticulous and interested in studies from the beginning। With the great vigor and enthusiasm, he completed his course। After some time, he got a job in a private firm। He even designed a new kind of software। This software helped him increase the sale of the firm। This boss acknowledged his service and rewarded him with a promotion। देखते रहिए। अब स्टोरी ऑफ विलास क्या है? विलास वाज एन 11-year-old boy। resisting in the same village as Shakar. Bilas' father Mahesh was a fisherman. His father passed away when he was only 2 years old. His mother Geeta sold fish to earn money to feed the family. She bought fish bought fish from the landowner's pond and sold it in the nearby mandi. She could earn only rupees 150 a day by selling fish. Bilas became a patient of arthritis authorities बोलते हैं क्या आर्थराइज आर्थराइड्स बोलते हैं ना थायराइड जिसे बोलते हो तुम लोग थायराइड ऐड होना थायराइड्स. His mother could not afford to take him to the doctor. He could not go to school either. He was not interested in studies. He helped his mother in cooking and also looked after his younger brother Mohan. After some time, his mother fell sick and there was no one to look after her. There was no one in a family to support them. Bilas too was forced to sell fish in the same village. He, like his mother, earned only a merge income. ना पढ़ के आइए भी